Binka wachiba.
No.
Stalila tuaba.
Stella.
Music may not last for long because also music comes with message.
Yeah.
Message that can stay for generation. Music is a feeling, number one. So
Right ajudu tutwal imi malupu Tami Bay TV watiki yubwa ma wabarbane celebrity vibes ma wakili chia beatweng wanena wakilo public figures celeb migila we categories weng na wakilo yatinium tutwal kaina la ngera kuman atiki welo ma mega kayin footpaying tiene me chels you're going to know more about them. So wakakwan chawaman ajolgi wak gen introducing gen komi foi matek tutwal mera yeah man in kinyinki lu ina yang kikomani
ini Wangs OJ Wangs kikome.
Wow. Ke ili yana manako dana win yeah
Yeah.
So watiki Wangs and power kene tiko me na chel so omera
Yo.
ajuli matek to twali Tami Bay TV
Afoira.
pingat matika nini for the first time pingi romulungo yang
Yeah, you can call me V-Legend.
man V-Legend ma wano ngi chon to twali
Yeah.
wa mielo we matek to twali. So in matika na wai Tami Bay TV yatinium to twal has been a pleasure me hosting ludira rio ene amerika yenye ke pikar mala to twal man ini jomu cha we chon mago inspiring the way madon wakimatina na weng maichani giti industry mi ko malami Uganda tina mieta nyak kedgi loka chela rio cause a lot of people guberu ka wani John Rueny matek to twal so amita chak ke buri V-Legend.
Okay.
V-Legend
Yes.
inka keke wai V-Legend ngoma wi dano romo po ye kumi like wek ngar money fitian me achel no mi arongini
We're not mate wako we opoe kom ana yot. No oluto ibero iken jomo bere kalupo we wachon. Ma iken we wa ma poyo with dano. And this song was like almost a national anthem just in northern Uganda, yeah. More way chalo started up tuaba. Okay, Agonya with the late Lennox. Yeah, those are the two songs. Then Wesley as well also. Those are the songs Makangat ma tika den ko winni V-Legends we a poe yacht for. Yeah.
Mon started actua before duo Mike bot wang ngomo bini we wona rio ni omero chak we karachel kitung bot in
You know bini we wa me chako we karachen. Wadon karachen.
okay
One of the reason we can take away Karacheli. That is all way back from Kampala. Wanonga Gikunu and Jim we were water. Kita watamu ke kita entamu ke kita na tamu ke wengti achel.
Mono neno wo ke leba chule neno wo ti achel neno wo water
Neno we were water. Jim we were water. Anyway, neno watin furu wati Karachel. Yes.
Wow. Ka dugu buri Wangs cause when you V-Legend wajo kakilu V-Legend gen ke Wangs we dano ngata ngewon we borio na machel stele dak
Nake bindo
ben kwene
binka wachiba
no
stali dak tuaba
stella
yaman
yeah
agonya diwo kariningo mira chamsona do it today. Oh yes, I'm gonna do it. Yeah.
Kemi kong Mikey Wangs. I have one question.
Yo.
How did you guys come out with these songs before even releasing? Pian kita legend wa you guys ngene pika malaj. Maybe between that because we can't go deep. No, Uberika releasing a lot of songs. How did you come out with these songs? A massive hit. Kai win Village and Wani. And it's not worse. It's a Northern Uganda anthem.
National.
Yeah.
So how did you guys come out with the idea to write these songs?
Oh, music is a feeling, number one. So, in our growing up, by the way, where people, we would compose songs like on a daily basis, by the way.
Like tere.
Every day passes when we are composing something. When I meet legends, Ana Penye, samples me, I say, this is nice. I've also composed something you listen. Daily, ba? So if we're growing up and there are 365 days in a year, just knowing that whole year we have over 300 songs written.
Because every day,
every day we are
composing more than 2.
Even more than.
It's like 10. 10, 15, 10, 15 like that.
So
10 and 15 and above.
So
how did now Stella Actua come? Because Kai in actually composing more than 10 songs. How did you like?
Now
how I this is the songs we need to release to our people.
Now Style Actua is a dancehall song, number one. Secondly, it is on a rhythm.
Okay.
It was on a Moscato rhythm. Moscato rhythm is from Jamaica. So at that time, music teach a lot trend. We look at what is trending now.
Then you tackle.
So at that time, the rhythm was what?
Trending, yeah.
We say it now for us. We had Biniganta Timo version Mamege. Fetubayo. What can we also do? And that time, I remember, the boys' money, good team over. On that, time. Yes, only that what we did was big,
yeah.
It was a big project, so it even made the other one silent for other people. Yeah, so first of all, we are talented, we compose daily, we are songwriters. So that contributed. Then secondly, the trend at that time, that was what was trending, so we also gave it our what? We gave it a shot. Like, let's first try this and we see.
And go ahead. Beside that, you take away more kind of
not yet, no, but
because of the trends and all those things. I loved. Wakapenye kong la penye because Paul Kare, because ilogolokum trend. Do you think nowadays like about trend is nowadays affecting northern industry? Because those days you use trend material, then you release songs like nowadays kids they create trends. Do you think that is affecting our music industry? Because Chani, maybe Mogoma Kampala, Jamaica and all those. I don't know, Kai picking my question well.
No, I've picked you. You see, music changes, and right now music has changed, and we appreciate the new generation artists because what they are doing is good, and people have embraced it. Although some are still not embracing it, but the majority have embraced. So big up on yourself, Olipa. New generational artists, say. No flow upon yourself. So right now the only issue is some of their music may not last for long because also music comes with message.
Yeah.
Message that can stay for generations. Get, whereby even when you have children, you have grandchildren, it still applies.
Yeah.
So maybe that's the only weakness right now for the new trend. I'm not saying all of them are not singing meaningful songs, but the majority, they are off as far as the message is